Loom versus Tella pricing in 2026. So this is Loom's pricing. You can use Loom for free and get started with video communication. So if you sign up, you get 25 videos, 5-minute screen recordings, unlimited meeting length. And this is a new feature. And transcriptions in 50 plus languages, comments, and emoji reactions. So with the free plan, unlimited meeting length, there's no editing and you cannot repurpose your videos. If you get the business plan, you can move work forward faster with unlimited videos and basic editing. With $15 per month, you can have unlimited videos, unlimited recording time, basic waveform editing, remove Loom branding, upload and download videos. And then that's $15 per month. Billed annually. And with Business Plus AI, you can communicate your best with videos instantly enhanced and edited with Loom AI. So that's $20 per month. You can also try this for free. And everything in business. And you can have here auto video enhancement, advanced editing, video to text automation, video variables, automating recap emails, automating notes. So mostly, Loom is focused on meeting. It's async communication, but you cannot repurpose it to content. And then the enterprise plan, which you will have to contact sales. And with Tella's pricing, you can also have Loom's features, but better. Tella is $13 per month yearly for the pro plan, and the premium plan is $19 yearly. So with the pro plan, you can have unlimited videos. I have the pro plan and I use it for almost 2 years already for my YouTube and everything video, for my courses, everything. So you can have unlimited videos, unlimited recording duration, upload your own clips, edit videos with AI, instead sharing 60 FPS expert, up to 5 minutes 4K expert, and team workspace. Tella is the best choice when it comes to async communication plus repurposing your video into content. Plus, you can also have 30% off if you use my link. Tella has all the editing features you need in order for you to create great content, which is like this, for example. Edit faster, the size, landscape, portrait, square, cut, AI editing, remove buffers, silences, and filler words in just 3 clicks. The layout feature, so your videos and screen doesn't look boring. You have the generate zoom in 1 click. The effects tool where you can add blur and highlight for sensitive information, change the background, change the border, add subtitles, adjust, crop the camera frame, add music. This is a new feature. And you can also enhance audio quality and remove background noise through the studio voice. So you can have everything here. You can also add your teammates. And also what I like about it is that this is YouTube ready because you already have the chapters here. And when you view, there's this comment feature where you can add a timestamp in your comments. And you can download this for 4K resolution. And there's also a time-lapse export if you want to create a fast demo for your software if you're a startup founder or a freelancer. So you can also share your video in just 1 link, embed it on your website, and pretty much everything you can do with Tella. So it's very affordable, and this will be a game changer for your content creation. Which one do you think is better, Loom or Tella? Put it in the comment section.